What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I come back with the same name, Evast Mposa the Beanbagger. Same vibe. Alright, so today we're just gonna get straight into it and yeah, let's see where we could end up. So, as I said that today we're gonna be installing our IDE, our integrated development environment, so that we can start coding. So, without any further ado, let's get into it and make sure that we at least push. All right, let's get right into it. All right, okay. So, the first thing which we need to do is to actually install our IDE, which is a bit of a process, but hey, we gotta do it. So, firstly, go onto your web browser and you have to go inside your Visual. As I told you, our IDE is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an IDE for Microsoft, so we're going to be using that environment throughout the whole series. Oh, by the way, welcome to the C# series. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Let's get into it. Okay, so we on their website, it's on the Visual Studio website. So you just click on the download Visual Studio. I'll leave the link for this website in the description. Community, because we are the community after all. What community? A vast community. Alright, so it has downloaded. All I have to do is just click here and then you run it. And yes. So as you guys know, or might predict, on my side I've already installed the Visual Studio. So I'm gonna show you guys to help you with some screenshots, and if you're having any problems, just leave your problem in the comments and I'll get to it as soon as possible. So it shows us this window here. All we have to do is say continue. Then after it has downloaded whatever it needed to download. So this is the Visual Studio installer. This will help you install your Visual Studio. It's not technically the Visual Studio, but yeah, it's your installer which will help you install. So as you guys can see on my side, I've already installed it and it's already there. So on your side, you'll have to go to available if it doesn't take you there automatically. Then after going on available, it will show you all of these. So these are basically the frameworks and whatever you can download to help you for whatever need you wanna download for. So we are gonna be taking only the .NET desktop development for this series. So just for this series, but if you have the data too and you wanna select everything, you can select everything. Maybe you might need it in the future, who knows? So you click it and then here, just leave it as install while downloading, and then on your side, it will show a install button. After your installation, it will show you this part. It might actually automatically install it for you, and not install it, I mean launch it for you. Yeah, but if it doesn't, then you can just click on launch, and then after pressing the launch button, on your side it's going to require you to sign in. So you do not have to sign in. You can just say not now, just for now, because you do not need to do it. And then after you do that, it will show you this window. This is your landing page whereby you're gonna start creating your project. Now this is where the fun begins. Now just keep track of everything we're doing. It's not gonna be a very long ride. So we click on create a new project. Yeah, let's wait for it. By default, it will be on all languages. So all you have to do is take it to C# as you all know, we're doing the C# programming language, C#, and then let's take it to Windows because we're creating a Windows application. Project type, let's go to, where is it? Desktop. So we're going to be developing a desktop application. Then Windows Forms, this is the one which we actually choosing, Windows Forms. Next, the name of our project, we're going to call it the email distributor. And then if you want to know where your project is going to be located, you can just choose where you want to put it. Otherwise, for me, I'm going to leave it as it is, as the default. Solution name is, oh, there's 3. You guys are not telling me that I'm making a spelling mistake. Ha 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 ha. But anyway, then we leave the rest as these. So we're gonna be using the .NET framework. Now the fun begins and the waiting continues. You can just close this if you don't want it to disturb you. And then we're gonna be directed to this. So this is our IDE, guys, as I was stating. This is our entire IDE. This is the place where the magic begins and the magic happens and the compiling happens and the building happens and the debugging, so forth and so forth. So when we get to this place, you might be first confused and all of that, but don't worry, you'll get used to it so quickly. So this is our form. So basically a form is a place whereby we can put all of our controls, our buttons, our text box, our drop downs, whichever control you would want to use. So for you to see all of your controls, you have to go to Toolbox, and then it's still initializing. After it has initialized, we're gonna be seeing all of these. Yeah, there's quite a lot, but we only need these ones in here, all Windows Forms. So these are all of our controls which we're going to be using for the entire series. Okay, so we have a button. You do know what a button is, and we have a text box. You also know what a text box is, and also a label. These are our basic controls, but you'll see them as we go along. Okay, let's first put a panel. I prefer putting a panel. So a panel just basically lays out the environment whereby you're gonna be putting all of your controls. So I'm gonna put my panel like this, not too wide. I'm gonna just extend my form. All right, so we can change the color of our panel to whichever color which we prefer. We can just put it to active caption, just like this, and then yeah, just for it to be a little bit nicer. Okay, next we're gonna put in just a few. So okay, our email distributor, it's going to be basically sending an email to a recipient, and also basically just that, sending an email to a recipient. Whatever email you want to send, you can just do that easily. Okay, before we continue, let's actually take a break. I'm tired and I need to go to the mall. So let's just go to the mall and then we'll be back. Okay, so question is, where am I headed? We'll find out. Such a lovely weather out. Very lovely weather. Yeah. This is the weather for coffee. Alright, so I'm going to get some cereals. Yeah, I haven't had cereals in a while. I don't know why. I think maybe it's because cereals are expensive. And yeah, hey, it's not so affordable, hey? But yeah, I decided I'm going to get some cereals, so you guys are going to get to see which cereals I actually, like, basically. I'm not even sure which ones I'm going to get, but hey, we'll see. Let's head out. And we are done. Yeah, for me it's either Pick and Pay or no and pay. I don't know, no and pay, but yeah, to whatever it is. Yeah, we're at Pick and Pay and we're done. Let's get back to work.